Life hack: if you go with a college jersey over a professional jersey, you never have to worry about the player getting traded and your jersey being not as relevant. Got a little mold. We're just gonna take that chunk right away. Cut the rest. Came across some videos on YouTube about like beta and alpha males, and I think like my problem is that women just want to see me as like a beta male because I'm a nice guy, but I think I act in pretty much every other way like an alpha male. So I guess time will tell, right? Just washed up. Really like using those disposable wipes and using like washcloths and soaping them up, and then using like a rinse one. I used like 4 of them just now, but you can see all the dirt you get off. You can see when you stop getting dirt off. They hold water really well, conserve water really well. You can soap them up just like a washcloth. Use a rinse one just like a rinse washcloth. They work really well. So I think it's the best method I've developed, especially for water conservation. You just dispose of them after. Become accustomed to I'm in like public situations, like adults pulling their kids away. Today, got a nice big smile from a mom. So, what the tides have turned, confidence, calmness, aesthetics. It's probably a big part of it. All part of the superficial world we live in, unfortunately, but it is what it is, I guess. You know, it's kind of sad we live in a world where, you know, a company or a group of people can heavily induce, you know, in a planned manner, social anxiety on an individual. And, you know, an entire community can turn that social anxiety into either their lack of respect for an individual, or their own personal interests, and basically not give a fuck about what that individual has to say, how that individual feels. It's very sad and pathetic. I don't really think there's any other opinion that's valid in that case. You just look at it and you just shake your head. Left some ramen noodles in this last night, just rinsed it out with water, and I like to give it a spray starting at the top so that the water runs with gravity, or solution runs with gravity with a spray bottle, and all you need is the pressure created by this mechanical trigger. Plenty of pressure to clean the top. Like that's still got some ramen residue, but I'll get to that in a sec. Just rinse it out, towel it off, wash it off, rinse it off, towel it off. You're good to go again. If you're in Texas, I suggest wearing ankle socks because there's these plants with these fuzzy things, and if you walk through any grass of any height, you're gonna have to pull these things off your socks constantly.